Tatu.
What?
So guys, today Marcelo is going to be the cameraman. Okay, baby, are you ready?
Yes. I
What?
want to play.
You want to play? No, baby, please, thoda sa.
Please.
Huh? I don't have cameraman, baby. You are a good cameraman, no?
I'm not.
You are, baby.
Uh,
You are.
I am.
Yes. You're a good
Last
cameraman.
time I did you a good picture.
Yes. Click a very nice picture for me. So can you please help me out, baby? I don't have cameraman.
Please.
Play.
Are you playing it?
Play.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, don't look.
Okay. Now I have to look, baby. See this? What is this?
Brinjal.
Bracelet, baby. Take the video nicely, okay?
Okay.
Let me find out. Yes, here we got one more. See? Can you see me?
Oh yes.
Do it nicely, okay? I have to see how you click.
I can see it. The camera can see the brinjal either.
Is it?
It can see more.
Is
It can
it?
see all of them.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
The people
That
can
means, am I coming in the frame? Nanu, you are just keeping it like this. Just keep it horizontal.
Okay.
See? Yay!
Like this?
Yes. Okay, now you can stop. ना तोड़ लिया brinjal. So me and Marcelo, we are going to pluck this cabbage. We'll just pluck one. We'll keep the other one, okay? Good.
I,
Wow,
the
nice.
heaviest baby.
What?
Heaviest thing.
Heaviest thing.
It's heavy. I need help.
You need help.
To carry this.
See the peas. ऐसे डाल दिया था मैंने, but it's like coming out. Bitter gourd. Papayas. घर पे है papayas, so not going to pluck today. There are some beans, लेकिन हम इसको pluck नहीं कर रहे. हमारे गार्डन में बहुत सारे squirrels होते हैं, इसलिए I'm not plucking this. उन लोग खाते हैं, so let all these wild animals enjoy कुछ vegetables को. यहाँ पे भी हुआ है.
Huh?
What are you holding, baby?
Please, I'm going to open one.
Okay, all right.
Oh,
What is that?
beans.
Peas. Come, baby. Yeah. Come. See, so beautiful. See, master seed.
I will destroy the monster flower.
What?
I will break the monster flower.
You'll destroy it?
Yes,
Why, baby?
because I don't like them. Yes, smells bad.
No. Don't do, baby.
See.
देखो ये अभी का तोड़ा वाला है. So, इतना ज़्यादा ब्रिंजल और ये थोड़ा सा पीस, केरला चिलीज, धनिया and one cabbage. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.